Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make tahini salad. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you and let's cooking. First, let's start with our ingredients. I have here chopped tomato, cucumber, lettuce, and green pepper. Also, I have 2 spoons of tahini sauce, juice of 1 lemon, 3 chopped cloves of garlic, salt, and olive oil. These are our ingredients for today, and now let's go and see how to prepare our dish. First, add the lemon juice over the tahini sauce and mix it well. Then add 2 spoons of warm water over it and mix them all together. In a bowl, put the tomato, the cucumber, the green pepper, and the lettuce. And add the garlic, the salt, then add the tahini sauce with lemon over it. Mix them all together and put a little bit of olive oil over it. And this is the final look of our dish today. Tahini salad. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment area. That's all for today, my friends. Thank you for watching and goodbye.